Good day everyone, we are the OMIs, and today we'll be presenting our third Arduino project, the interactive traffic light with 5 LEDs. This project simulates how traffic lights work in real life, but with an added pedestrian crossing system controlled by a push button. Our group is composed of Lira Mark Christian, Tarjo Mark Vincent, and myself, Moika Denverjan. Together, we collaborated to design, wire, and code this project. A traffic light is a signaling device positioned at road intersections, pedestrian crossings, and other locations to control traffic flow. It uses different colored lights, typically red, yellow, and green, to tell drivers and pedestrians when to stop, get ready, or go. In our project, we also included pedestrian red and green lights, making it more interactive. For this project, we used the following components: one Arduino Uno board, one breadboard, 5 LEDs, 220 ohm resistors for each LED, one push button, jumper wires, and a USB cable for Arduino programming. This is our circuit diagram. We connected the 5 LEDs to different digital pins on the Arduino, each with a resistor. The push button is connected to pin 9, allowing pedestrians to signal when they want to cross. Power is supplied through the Arduino's 5V pin. Our code starts by defining each pin for the car and pedestrian lights, as well as the push button. In the setup function, we set all LEDs as outputs and the button as an input. The loop function continuously checks if the button is pressed and if enough time has passed since the last change. If it has, the change light function is called, which simulates a real traffic light cycle, including a blinking pedestrian green light before changing back to red. Here's a video of us connecting all the components and uploading our code to the Arduino Uno. And finally, here's the output of our interactive traffic light project. You can see how the car lights and pedestrian lights change in sequence, and how pressing the button activates the crossing cycle. And that concludes our presentation for Arduino project number 3, Traffic Light System. This project shows how Arduino can be used to simulate and control real-world systems using simple electronics and code.